my channel. Today we're going to draw a cute strawberry. From here, draw these leaf parts for the strawberry, and then up like that, and then draw a small round body, that, and 2 arms with a curve, and then 2 legs which is made by a curve, and then its eyes like that, and then draw a curve inside, and then another curve down below, and then color in the eye, and then draw the other eye, curve to curve, and then do the other eye as well. And then after, draw the smile. Then get your green and then color in the leafy part. And then get your black again and then draw the seeds. It looks like he's sweating. After, get your grey and then color in the seeds. And then get your black, draw a line like this, and then a star. On it, like a wand. And then color in the star with yellow. You can draw these lights.
Yes.
And if you want its mouth opened, you might want it at the top, but I'm doing it at the bottom. Going like this. Bit like a Y shape. Coloring it inside. It looks naughty. Just something with 1, 2 makes it look cute as well. Then get your red and then color in gently in the strawberry. I'm going to do it a bit harder so that it can be a bit bold. I think I'm going to make the eyes a little bit more bolder. Maybe the inside of the mouth too. And one more thing. Get your grey, then draw its circular shadow. Well done, you finished it. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.